Our Animal Investigations, 2nd grade, room 110.
Their shell is their armor. Armadillos are small mammals. Armadillos are stout with short legs and strong curved claws.
Baboons are African and Caribbean. Baboons are large monkeys that move around both on land and in trees. They are smart.
Camels are large mammals. They live and work in savor of the world's deserts. They are new from their homes.
They eat small mammals. The coyotes is a wild member of the dog. Coyotes are smallest two wolves.
Dolphins are mammals and related to whales. Dolphins look like a big fish, but actually they are mammals. There are more than 35 species or types of dolphin. The Arctic fox has brown fur in summer and white fur in winter. Arctic foxes have one enemy, humans.
Elephants are herbivores. They can be found in different places. There are 3 species of African savanna animals. The African forest of elephants and the Asian elephant. They make up elephant families of mammals.
It stands 5 to 6 meters tall. The scientific name of the giraffe's tongues are over 18 inches long.
Harp seal is called saddleback seal. There are more than 30 species of these kinds of seals. Seals are found throughout the world.
Iguanas' tails make up half of their body length. The tail can be used as wipes to dry off the enemies.
Did you know that giraffes grasp leaves with their lips or tongue and pull the leaves into their mouth?
The kangaroos is a marsupial. Kangaroo are animals that get around by hopping on their back legs. Kangaroos can stand 108 meters tall and weigh 200 pounds.
The leopard is the smallest of the 4 biggest cats. The leopard is a wild cat of Africa and Asia.
The lion is the 2nd largest member of the cat family. After the tiger, lions live in parts of Africa and India.
Wild lobsters have long antennae. Lobsters hide among rocks on the ocean floor during the day. Most of the lobsters caught for people to eat weigh less than 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms. Lobsters most of the time are red or brown.
Manta rays can be found in different waters. Manta rays, also called devil rays.
A giraffe is the tallest living terrestrial animal. Giraffes have a short body, but their legs and necks are very long. Giraffes live in herds of up to 20 animals.
The polar bear is a burly white bear that lives in that land surrounding the North Pole.
Puffins are any 3 small species of auks. Birds that use skellings include razorbills, kittiwakes, and puffins.
The reindeers have long legs. Reindeers are mammals of the deer family, along with mooses and elks.
Turtles are reptiles. Turtles are found in most parts of the world. Most live in
freshwater ponds, lakes, or rivers. Others live in the ocean or on land. Whales range in size. The blue whale is the largest whale, also called orcas, are mighty hunters of the ocean. They are earned the name killer.